Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine here. I know it's been a while, but I'm back with another video. This time I'm doing a door sign. So right there you saw I have a Dollar Tree sign that I had picked up, and I just have some random florals. As you see, I'm going like with the pink and sort of fuchsia purple colors. And I also have some ribbon, scissors, floral cutters, and a hot glue gun. So all I'm doing here is just sort of going through and seeing what flowers I want to use and seeing how they go together. And then once I gathered up all the flowers that I'm going to use or that I want to incorporate, I'm just going to go in and start to use my floral cutter, the stem cutter, and I'm just going to cut off the pieces that I want. Okay, so once I have all my flowers that I'm going to use, I'm going to go in with my ribbon and make sort of like a pocket so that the flowers can sit in, as opposed to just gluing them to the back of the door sign. Okay, so now that I have that pocket nice and secure, I'm gonna go ahead and start to decorate and customize this door sign. So I just want to take a moment right now to just thank you all for coming back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. It really does mean a lot to me. Just don't forget to please give this video a thumbs up, share it with somebody who might like it or find inspiration, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this door sign, Dollar Tree sign turned into door sign project. Let me know what you think about it. So I'm gonna be quiet and let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Okay, so right here I am just removing the actual piece of string that came with the sign. I'm actually going to put my own string in the back because the one in the front was too short to begin with, and then also because I had the flowers at the top, having the string in the front of all the flowers wouldn't allow me to hang this on my door. So here I'm just gonna hot glue a piece of twine. I've already measured it up against my door so that it hangs where I want it to hang, as low as I want it to hang. And yeah, that's it, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next time, bye.